Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today in our reading class we are going to use our book of reading and comprehension books. So please look for your book of reading and comprehension. And it is time to read. So it's reading time. Let's go. Please open your books of reading in book page 9. Open your books of reading in page number 9. And our title says Riches in the Ground. Here, riches in the ground. What does that mean? That is about something that is like a treasure, because riches has a connection with something like a treasure, right? So it's something like that. Okay, so we are going to read. We have here paragraph number 1, then we have paragraph number 2, and then paragraph number 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3 different paragraphs. And we are going to read each one of them. After we finish with the reading, we are going to complete the activities or the exercises of book page 10. So, read. We're going to read. The story is about a man that is working in an investigation of discover the oil. So, please pay attention to the reading. I would like to share with you a little bit about how those things or how is the oil process. So, watching the video, those things made of iron. Those things made of iron are the ones who get inside deeply in the ground and they absorb some the oil. Okay, very good. That's how the oil function, the oil absorption function. Now, coming back again, here we are going to read and we're going to discover how was the process of this thing, of the oil discovery. After you finish with your reading, you're going to find here in page 10 some exercises. So the first exercise says that you are going to look and think what kind of rich the author is referring in this title. Okay, so here we have exercise number 1 or activity number 1. What kind of riches is the author referring to in the title, Riches in the Ground? So you're going to think, what type of riches does the author is talking about? So I told you at the beginning that riches is like a treasure, but what type of riches? So it's talking about the second one thing, the useful resources, because the oil is a useful resource that nowadays can be used to move a car or to move another means of transportation. So you're going to select number 2. Then in number 3, in activity number 3, what you're going to do is, which of the 3 paragraphs do not fit the author's main idea of riches in the ground? So you're going to look if paragraph number 1 or paragraph number 2 or paragraph number 3 is the paragraph that do not fit with the author main idea. What does that mean? ¿Qué párrafo, qué idea de qué párrafo no concuerda exactamente con la idea principal del autor? So the answer is the paragraph number 3. And you are going to write, because the paragraph number 3 is talking about cars. You're going to write this one here. And the last one activity, the number 3, says number the events in correct order. So you're going to write number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. This is the correct order of each one of the events occurring during the reading. That was everything for today's class of reading. I hope you are well and I hope you are fine at home. Please keep safe, you and yours, and blessings. See you until next class.